Good morning and Jai Hind, students. Our today's topic is the characteristics of living things. The first point is feeding, movement, second, third, breathing, fourth, excretion, fifth, growth, sixth, sensitivity, and seven, reproduction. Now, coming to the first point, feeding. All living things need to grow and to stay healthy. Therefore, they take substance to gain energy and stay healthy. It means what we need food. We eat lot of things like we eat eggs, meat, dal, and we eat rice, rotis, chapatis, and in many forms. And we drink milk to get energy. So we eat lot of things to get the energy. So if we eat food, then we will be fit. Next is movement. Movement are of two types. First is internal, second is external. Here, internal means movement inside our body. Inside our body means, like for example, we all know that we have blood. So, the blood flow in our body from one part to another. Second is external. In external movement here, it means like moving from one place to another. For that, many animals, some of the animals crawl, some of the animals have legs, birds have feather, fishes have fin. So in this way, there are different types of movement. Next, coming to breathing. Breathing means exchange of gases, like the human beings and plants, animals, everyone breathe. So, for example, the human beings, what we do is we breathe in what? Oxygen. We breathe out what? Carbon dioxide. That means we inhale which gas? We are inhaling what? Oxygen. And we are exhaling what? Carbon dioxide. And next, see here first the different ways of breathing. You can see here chicken have lungs and we human also have lungs. Fishes have gills, caterpillars have spiracles, and spiders also have book lung, and sponge also have inflow and outflow. It for from the part of their skin. Now coming to the next, excretion. Excretion is also very important point. So excretion means the removal of the waste from the body. This process is important as the waste are harmful to the organism. If we if we keep the waste inside our body, it is going to harm us. So the removal of waste is also very important. Here, waste means whatever we are eating or drinking. Some some things are very important for our body, that is very nutritious, so our body keep that, and whatever is waste it goes out. Now next is growth. Growth is the part of our life. Like you can see here one example. A seed grows to a sapling, then from a sapling to baby plant, then baby plant to small, then a tree. It grows in this way. And you can see here a child become an adult, like a small child, baby boy or baby girl, they move to an adult. Now next, the characteristics of living things, in that there is one more very important point, that is sensitivity. Sensitivity means, here sensitivity is the means we feel. That is very important point, we feel. Non-living things never feel, they don't have senses, we have sense organ. So touch, light, heat, cold, and sound, we react in all these points. That is touch. For example, if you are in kitchen, or maybe someone like your mother and me or anyone touches something and we got burned, so what we do, just first remove our hand. That is our the first thing. It means we just felt that, we react on that, we have reacted on that situation. So we feel. So For example, heat and cold here, it means like when the weather is very matlab, hot, then what we do, we used to wear the cotton clothes. And when the weather is very like very cold winter season, what we do, we wear what, you know? No, you don't know. You know that we wear what, warm clothes, woolen clothes, jackets, sweater. We use what, blankets. And in this way, that is sensitivity, that means we feel. Next is reproduction. That is also very important point. Reproduction is the process of giving birth. A cat gives birth to kitten, and a cow gives birth to calf, dog gives to puppy, and human beings give birth to a child. So in this way, you can see here some examples. So in this way, reproduction goes on. But in reproduction, there are two types, like some animals give birth to the babies and some lay eggs. And when they hatch the egg, then the baby comes out. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood the characteristics of living thing.